Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to show you guys this new website I found that's super cool and can help you pass time in quarantine if you're bored. It's called Beat Blender. So the website URL is right here, and after you start it up, you'll go to this screen. You have to press start, and then you will go to the screen. And basically, Beat Blender, what you do is you make for your own beats, or you use one of its presets, or generate random generated beats, and then it blends them together. For example, in the middle, it's all four of the beats blend together. If you put it over here, it's these two. If you put it over here, it's mostly these two, but some amount of these two. You can just play wherever. So you can see if I go from here slowly down, you can see the difference on the right, how the chart is changing. Yeah, it's basically whatever drum beat you can make, you can put it here. And then also there's a draw function, which you can turn on, and then you'll be able to, you can just go like this. And then it'll just play by yourself. You can slowly hear the difference. And which one do I not like? Okay, for example, this beat. There's a bunch of presets. Pop punk, for example, pop punk. Yep. And then there's all these presets. And then this is the speed of it. Let's see, is there any other functions for me to talk about? Mostly not really. So I'm gonna explain how you edit your beat. So from left to right horizontally, that's basically how the beat goes. So beat starts from the left and goes to the right. And then each row is a different kind of beat. For example, this is bass, this is snare, this is hi-hat, this is crash, ride, and all these are toms. So basically they're all different drums, vertically and horizontally, that's the time. So just if you didn't know that. And then after everything you do, after you're done with everything, that's what I meant, and you want to save, just press save, and then it'll give you a link to copy, or you can send it on Facebook or Twitter, and I'm just gonna send it. See, I just put in this URL, and this is the beat. Yep. Okay, we can do this. Yeah, and that's basically all the functions of it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like the video if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see more of my content, and go ahead to go to my main screen to see more of my videos. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.